Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming the exact email or phone linked to your Supercell ID. Mistyped addresses are the most common cause. Once done, inspect spam folders and any mail filters that might quarantine messages, because automated codes often get filtered. Next, restart the game and your device to reset network sessions, and if needed, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds. That forces fresh network negotiation and often lets the next code arrive cleanly. Now focus on connectivity and account constraints. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or try a different network because carrier routing can block shortcode messages. Make sure any VPN, proxy, or security app is off, since those can interfere with authentication traffic. Also, wait at least 60 seconds before requesting another code. Rate limits on Supercell ID will pause delivery if you resend too fast. If codes still fail, sign out and sign back into other linked devices to clear stale sessions. To finish, confirm your recovery contacts and account settings and update any outdated phone or email, because correct targets are required for codes to deliver. If problems persist, gather evidence: device ID, player tag, approximate time, and screenshots, and contact Supercell support via the in-game help. That speeds manual verification. If you need just one troubleshooting trick before support, try sending the code to a different valid phone or email you control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.